Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity to me on second Borobudur International Symposium 2020. Now I will present about my idea. It's about optimization of expert system for agriculture development of salak tree in Srumbung, a literature study. This is from us, Desina Dawinarti, Atina Hana Maulidina, Nida Muna Fadila, Endah Ratna Arumi. Teknik Informatika, Universitas Muhammadiyah Magelang, Indonesia. But before I present about my idea, let me introduce myself. My name is Atina Hana Maulidina. You can call me Atina. I was born on 10 August 1998. I'm studying on Teknik Informatika Universitas Muhammadiyah Magelang, and I live in Magelang, Central Java, Indonesia. Thank you. This is enough from me. Now I will tell you about the background, the problem, why I take the topic from the expert system. Zalaka plants are native to Indonesia, which are scattered in several provinces and have good prospect to be cultivated. Zalaka cultivation in Central Java has been developed in Serumbung, Magelang. Serumbung district is a strategic area with lowland and to highland topography. Geographically, this district is located on the slope of Mount Merapi so that it supports the cultivation of salak. Serumbung has a land area of 2,337 meters and 1,000 meters of land area used for the development of salak plant. However, there are several criteria for land that can be planted with salak trees in Serumbung district. So it needs a land suitability analysis that can be helped the Serumbung community to determine suitable land for the development of salak plant. The analysis of this research will determine the level of soil pH, soil moisture, and soil height in accordance with the suitability of the land for the development of salak plant. Then I will tell you about the method of the research. Method used in writing this research is literature study. The study is the result of an analysis of the literature related to land suitability expert system in plants. This method used to collect data from various sources through online database such as Google Scholar in the form of journals and articles at national seminars. The articles used in this research are articles that discuss about expert system, salak, land suitability, and also the method used in making expert system. Now, I will tell you about research result. The analysis carried out in 15 journals show that 3 journals about expert system for disease detection in animals, 10 journal on expert system for land suitability for plants, and 1 journal on the effectiveness of using method forward chaining and backward chaining in making expert system. And the last is 1 journal about expert system for controller gas. Now I will show you, this is the literature review. The first, I will tell you about Fitriana Susanti and Sri Winiarti research. This research is about expert system for determining the suitability of agricultural land for fruit plant cultivation. This post on Journal of Informatic Engineering degree. The system is designed to determine the land for planting fruit based on the suitability of plant needs. This method in this research is forward chaining method. With this system, we will find out what disease attack fruit plants and now how to plant fruit according to the diagnostic result of. But applying the rules in the new system, just test once, then just once more test, so the results are less accurate. The result of this research is expert system for determining land suitability for fruit plant cultivation. Next, the second of this review, I take from Helisa Rahmania Hatta Research. This is about drafting rules for determining plant suitability for dryland agriculture using the forward chaining method. This post on proceedings of the National Seminar on Computer Science and Information Technology. This providing information to farmers to determine suitable crops on dry land with decision support system tools. The method of this research is the forward chaining method. Rule in the expert system is made per plant with detailed information so that high yield accuracy will be obtained. But the application of rules in the system has not been tested on land suitability application. The result of this research is for decision support system to determine suitable type of agriculture plan on dry land. Next, the third review is about Nina Sevani and friends researches. This research is about expert system for determination of land suitability based on the maximum limitation factor for food crops. This post on Journal of Information Technology 2010. Determines the land suitability of food crops and is carried out through the determination of expert system that can be accessed online. This method is used forward chaining method. In this system, when testing with the parameter value that exceed the value determined by the expert, the system will immediately give the conclusion that the land is not suitable for food crops. But for the parameters used are still lacking, so the result is still less accurate. But the research have expert system determination suitability of land for food crop. Now this is I show you about the classification of data needs grow plants. There's for plants there are salak, guava, mango, and corn. I take this data from Pioneer 2017. It's about soil characteristic for plant in this table. You can see that salak have I'm so sorry that the salak need the soil moisture pH is about 4.5 until 7.5 with the high humidity, and altitude is about 100 until 500 meter above sea level with the 50 until 70% light intensity, and the last have about 20 until 30 temperature Celsius. Now, how the system work? This is we have two expert. The one is about soil characteristic expert, and the another one is about plant need expert. This the matching process that we can get land suitability of this process with this system. Then this is the result of the system testing. We can get 17 area from the Serumbung district. The first is Banyu Adem. I take this for the example. In Banyu Adem, have the soil pH 6 with the high humidity, and this is you can see all the characteristic of soil. We can get if Banyu Adem is suitable to plant salak tree. I think enough. You can see all the result here. Thank you for your attention. I think enough. I'm so sorry. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.